Well, I have been thinking about doing this video for days, and I guess I just better try and see if I can express myself in a short video to give a little bit of an update because I'm writing a year anniversary of really wanting to make some health changes for myself, getting myself accountable again, because I have had an interest for years in my health and wellness, but it seemed I took a little hiatus for some reason, and had that a little over a year ago, had that wonderful picture show up on Facebook that made me go, okay, I know I have been avoiding the mirror and not wanting to go in my closet for clothes, but oh my gosh, time to do something. So I did join a club and started working out, and you probably have seen my posts, and that has helped a lot, but it didn't kickstart me. I by chance came across some natural ingredient supplements, and that really kickstarted my ability to lose weight again. I seem to have, I thought I was eating healthy, doing some raw food juicing, but then every afternoon after lunch, it's like, oh, I need something just a little sweet. And then it was carbs, and then, the whole day, a whole afternoon was like, well, that was another day that turned out not the way I expected. So I turned to this natural supplement, and really helped me control my sugar cravings and kickstart me back into the health plan that I wanted to be participating in. I wanted to be responsible for my own health. So yeah, it's been about a year. I have maintained the weight that I initially lost probably in the first 6 months. I'm continuing using the supplements because there's some really key ingredients in there for my overall health. And the more I learn about the ingredients, the more I know. I just really like the detox aspect of these products. In my blissful ignorance years ago, just don't think I did anything out of the ordinary, but when I look back on what I've learned now and what I have been able to implement, probably that Diet Coke every day for 20 years might not have been the best thing for my health. What else there was something else that was really, well, an aluminum-based deodorant that I thought was fantastic because it really totally blocked my pores. I don't know if you guys remember that commercial from years ago, and you didn't even have to put it on every day and it still worked. Not such a good plan. I have lots of mercury in my mouth from fillings, so I really like that I'm daily taking a couple of sources that have alpha lipoic acid in them, so that I can work on a continuing detox. It's just been so interesting for me. I've had a couple of different things happen throughout my life that helped spur my interest in health or continue to renew it. And I'm sure we all have had those life events where our heart is really touched by the loss of someone we care deeply about. And it just really is something that I know I want to do as much as I can to be proactive about my health. And over the years, I just continue to make small changes that, as long as I'm moving in a forward direction, I know I oscillate a little bit back and forth, but overall direction is more in the lifestyle that I want, that I'm really happy about. So it's already about a longer video than I thought, so I just wanted to give that update. You'll continue to see posts from me about my personal health and wellness journey, and just information that strikes me, strikes my interest, because I can think back on the different moments that I wasn't necessarily aware of at the time, but the different moments that were a turning point for me or a re-inspiration. And I mean, even going to the dentist one time was a key thing, because we talked about, as I filled out my health survey, and they said, you must have forgotten this part because you didn't list any prescriptions. And I went, well, I don't take any. And they said, whoa, for a woman of your age, that's unusual. I was in a minority, and I thought, ooh, that's a minority I want to remain in. And it just helped me to realize that good health I shouldn't take it for granted. So thanks for listening, and I hope you'll get something from the things I post, because if anything I post can be a trigger or an inspiration for someone else, then that's why I'm doing all this. Because I really think there's just too many things in our environment, in our food, we just need to be proactive. And sometimes that's really hard because we're so busy. So if a Facebook post can help you, thank you. I appreciate that you're taking the time. So have a great weekend, and I will maybe do another one later. I don't know. I'm not so good at videos. Thanks. Bye.